Hey guys, so my article that I looked at this week is called If Rising Incomes Are the Real Reason Homes Are So Expensive, Not a Housing Shortage, What Does That Mean for Buyers? This is by Dikon Haya, I think I'm pronouncing that right, and it's published on Investopedia, the website. So, little fun fact before I get into it, the article is actually supported by a research team led by a doctoral student at UCI named Skylar Louie. Anywho, so in summary, people typically think that prices getting higher is because of the lack of homes being built, but rising incomes instead could be the cause in the rise of house prices. So, politicians from both parties are looking for ways to bring the costs down. A couple concepts that we're looking at is restricting supply, which is essentially the lack of houses equals an increase of price. And this typically happens due to restricting zoning laws. And then we have relative distribution of economic growth across income levels. This is who's gaining income and where. So essentially, an effective target might be the labor market itself rather than new construction. So, like they're saying, instead of building new houses, maybe we need to be looking at people's incomes instead. This relates to China's case because both articles are dealing with economic success creating social problems, right? So people making more money is causing issues for society. So leaders okay, cutting in here because I absolutely butchered the leaders' names. I'm gonna try to do a little bit better. So leaders like Jin Tao and Jinping, they're trying to manage inequality by creating economic growth. They're actually trying to intervene directly with the economic issues. So the difference in my article and what we learned in class is China's case is they're using direct intervention to limit the response of the wealthy. And that is pretty much it. Hope it makes sense. Thank you guys.